Hey guys, I'm Nikki the Creator, making manifestation super simple for you guys. Before we get started, click the link down below to my VIP group. I post daily in there. I bond with you ladies. I talk, not just ladies, anybody's welcome, but I do have a lot of ladies in there right now. But I bond, talk, post every day. So if that's what you're looking for, a community of people to talk about manifestation, get tips, coaching, that's the group for you. All right. So today we're going to be talking about redirecting your focus, learning how to consistently do so until you're a pro, basically becoming a master manifester, and knowing your worth. All right. Knowing your worth in regards to manifesting your new life and your desires. So if you see me look to the side, I'm just looking at notes. I wrote down a few notes because I believe that focus is one of the most important parts of manifesting. And I believe that focus is important is because what you focus on mentally, what you focus on, what you brew on in your mind is basically the experience that you will have. And I feel like sometimes, that's forgotten because so many people decide to just dive into their old story and complain about their old story. And I like to tell people that I'm a solution-based thinker. And I am a solution-based thinker, meaning if you come to me and you're telling me, well, Nikki, this, and this happened, and this, and this happened, I'll give you that one time to talk about it. But I don't want to hear about it after that. Because if you came to me that one time, the goal is to rework your mind, rework your mindset to get to the solution so you never have to experience that again. And what you don't realize that you're doing when you continuously dive into that story, dive into repeating that problem, is that you create more of that experience because you're not diving into what the solution can be. It's not that you can't think about it. What I'm saying is you should be thinking on the solution. And the solution most times is your new story, your affirmations, the person that you desire to be. That is literally it, guys. And that dives into time. A lot of people get worried about time, and that in itself is your focus. So if you're focused on comparing yourself to others and their journey, if you're focused on how long it will take, you're worrying about time. If you're focused on there being competition, your focus is on worrying about the wrong thing. Your focus should be on there is no competition. Your focus should be on as soon as I want it, it's mine. Your focus should be on I don't care what nobody else is doing. What I'm doing matters. Do you see how I switched that worrying on that time to not worrying at all? You have to put yourself in a position to get out of the state of worrying. When you stay in a state of worrying, you're doing more of that. And so your subconscious mind has to bring you that experience because your subconscious mind always tells you yes. So I haven't done a diagram in a while. So let's do a diagram today, guys. All right. So boom, we have your subconscious mind. What do I mean by your subconscious mind always tells you yes? You're sitting there. Oh my gosh, how long will this take? Is this going to take long? Oh my gosh, look at girl over here. She got hers so quickly. I don't know. I need to look for the next technique. This technique is not working. There might be a 3P. There might be a competition. So your subconscious mind is eating that up like breakfast, eating it up. And so what your subconscious mind is doing is giving you more of that experience because that's what you're feeding your brain. Now let's look at the other diagram. You're sitting, you're doing whatever you do, and you're thinking, there's no one like me. Of course, there's no competition. I'm everything that anybody could ever want. I'm loved. I'm wanted. I don't need to compare myself to anybody else. I'm amazing just the way that I am. I don't need to look for the next technique because what I'm doing is just right. I got this in the bag. I'm a master manifester. Your subconscious mind is eating that up like breakfast, the same way. It's not biased. It's just going to receive. It's literally just going to take what you give it. And it's going to give you more of that experience. And this is what I mean by your focus is your true currency. You need to learn how to redirect your focus into what it is that you want. Because I know that I'm powerful, I know I can have exactly what I want. My focus, right back to focus, guys, it dials back to focus. My focus is going to go back into what it is that I'm feeding my subconscious mind. I'm feeding my subconscious mind that I'm loved, wanted, I'm prioritized, I'm the prize, all those things. So that's exactly what I want to see. I'm not going to settle for anything less than what I'm feeding my subconscious mind. That's why the 3D doesn't bother me. And that's why the 3D shouldn't bother you when it's not giving you what you want. Because your focus should only be on what you want until it's here. That's it. Literally, that's it. And so it's really important to know your worth so that you don't settle for less than what you are dreaming for. Remember, you can have exactly what you want. It's all about your discipline. And I'm not going to sit here and act like, discipline is the easiest thing in the world, because you're not always going to be motivated. But when you want something and you know that it's going to take you feeding your subconscious mind this new story, you're going to do it because you want this new life. You want this new version of yourself. You want this desire to unfold, right? And so literally when things don't happen, I don't blame anybody else. I say I'm getting in my own way. I'm not doing what I'm supposed to do. So let me get back to being focused. Notice the word today, guys. Focus, 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 focus. You want that new job? You want that new relationship? You want more money? Focus on being and thinking like the person that has that money, has that relationship, has that job. What would you be thinking if you were in your dream job? You would be thinking, I'm the best at what I do. My new job loves me. I'm grateful for my new job. What would you be thinking if you were in a healthy relationship? I'm loved. I'm wanted. I'm prioritized. What would you be thinking if you were wealthy? Oh, money loves me. I'm a money magnet. I get paid every day. Those should be your thoughts instead of worrying where it's going to come from. You shouldn't be focused on how is this going to happen? It's just not possible. That's not your part to figure out. Your part is just to feed the story to your subconscious mind, and your subconscious mind provides the experience for you. That's it, guys. I'm going to keep saying this in different ways until it clicks, because I want you guys to see how simple it is to just see how simple manifestation is, and that all you have to do is redirect your focus. And as you redirect your focus, what do I always say? Practice makes perfect. You practice enough, that's it. It's light work. And then you're a master manifester. You can have anything that you want, guys. Focus, focus, focus. I love you guys.